Hi, welcome to Alan Zhong Idea Art. Today, I would like to demonstrate how to paint SPM paper 2. Question number 1. The artwork is all about a group of Raft participants. Let us view the question before we start. Sekumpulan peserta rakit arus deras sedang berusaha untuk melepaskan diri tersangkut di celahan batu. Gambarkan situasi tersebut dengan memberi penekanan kepada ruang, bentuk, jalinan dan pencahayaan. Plan the composition. Start the creating process by sketching a drawing of the general composition of the idea, including all the elements that you want to incorporate. Personal, I think this is more challenge question compared with other questions. In this question, you not only present the fast flowing water, you also need to present a group of raft participants. The raft stuck in crevice in the rock and they try to escape from there. To present this scenario, you need to do some homework before start. And in this demonstration, I would like to paint the background first. I want to create the fast flowing water mood and make sure the flowing water look natural and not messy. I was paint it very slow and detailed to make sure the flowing water look good in it. And this one of the elements to make artwork more attractive and interesting. The texture is one of the important techniques to make the painting more realistic. Example, the flowing water, paper, raft, and rock. All these texture, look and feel, it will make the painting lively. Lighting effect. In this painting, I will use very simple daily lighting. Make it as simple as possible. Simple lighting and simple shadow. Because in this artwork, too many things you need to handle like flowing water and moving people. You may run out of time if you try too complicated lighting. done. The group of Raft participants. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. For those still not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, please click it now. I will continue make a good video for you. Write down your comment. Give me your suggestions. Goodbye. See you again.